Welcome students. Today we will learn about subtraction on large numbers. Subtraction on large numbers. Let's discuss what is subtraction. The terms take away and find the difference. Imply subtraction. Then what are the rules we should follow at the time of subtraction? Let's discuss. Arrange the numbers as per the place value chart. Then step 2. Subtract the digits in each column from the ones place. Before going to discuss about subtraction, let's discuss some terms that are used in subtraction. What is minuend? The number which is subtracted from another number is called minuend. The number from which another number is subtracted is called minuend. What is subtrahend? The number which is subtracted. Let's take an example. Subtract 6,45,928 from 20,85,725. Let's arrange the numbers in the place value chart. This is ones place, this is tens place, this is hundreds place, this is thousands place, this is 10,000 place, this is lakh place, this is 10 lakh place. Then arrange the numbers in the places. We have to subtract this number from this number. That's why we have to write this number first. Write down the numbers from ones place. 5, 2, 7, 5, 8, 0, 2. Then write down the second number below the first number from ones place. 8, 2, 9, 5, 4, 6. This number is minuend and this number is subtrahend. We know that we have to subtract the digits in each column from the ones place. Let's start from ones place. We have to subtract 8 from 5. 8 is greater than 5. What should you do? We have to borrow from tens place. That's why borrow 110 from the tens place. 110 equal to 10 ones. That's why 10 ones plus 5 ones equal to 15 ones. Then subtract 8 ones from 15 ones. It is 7 ones. Then here is 110 and we have to subtract 210 from 110. 210 is greater. That's why we have to borrow from 100 place. We have to borrow 100. 100 equal to 10 tens. 10 tens. Here is 110. This is 1110. Then subtract 210 from 1110. It is 910. Then in 100 place it is 600 and we have to subtract 900. 900 is greater than. That's why we have to borrow from thousands place. Then borrow 1000 from thousands place. 1000 equal to 10 hundreds. Then 10 hundreds. Here 600. 16 hundreds. Then subtract 9 hundreds from 16 hundreds. It is 7 hundreds. Then here is 4000 and we have to subtract 5000. That's why we have to borrow from the 10,000s place. This is, then borrow 1 10,000. 1 10,000 equal to 10 10,000. 1 10,000 equal to 10,000. Here it is 10,000s and here 4,000s. That's why 14,000. Then subtract 9,000 from 14,000. It is 9,000. Then here is 7 10,000s. Subtract 4 10,000s from 7 10,000s. It is 3 10,000s. Here is 0 lakh and here is 6 lakhs. That's why we have to borrow from 10 lakh place. Borrow 1 10 lakh. This is 10 lakh and this is 6 lakh. Borrow 6 lakh from 10 lakh. This is 4 10 lakh. Then here is 1 10 lakh. We have to write as it is 1 10 lakh. This is the difference between these two numbers. This is the difference. So the difference is 14,39,797.